Hello, friends. Today we're trying a new yogurt. Now, I love me some Greek yogurt, especially from Oikos. And I saw this limited edition version available in the store the other day. And the color, like, look at this pink. It's so vibrant. And I noticed that it is pink lemonade flavor. Now, I love pink lemonade. And we've got lemon here, we've got some raspberry. And I've never had a yogurt quite like this. So let's go ahead and try it out. Now, which one should I choose? This one, this one, this one, or this one? I'm gonna try this one. I know they're all going to taste the same, but let's just go for this one right here. Okay, so here we are. And this is blended. You see that this one here mentions that it's blended already. So it's a little less work for us. So let's open it up. So I'm gonna take off my jacket. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so it's a very light pink color. Oh, I can smell it already. It smells really good. And it's pre-blended, but I'm going to give it a little blend with my spoon anyway. I like to do that with all my yogurts. Okay. So let's take a closer look. So it's pre-blended and you can't really see any lemon bits or, oh, actually I spoke too soon. I think I did see some, there's a little bit of strawberry, see right there? Some strawberry bits. Okay. Now let's try this out. Taste test time. Okay, it's really good. So I've had Oikos' lemon meringue yogurt before, and this one clearly has lemon in it. So it tastes kind of similar to that, but the raspberry afterwards, it gives a bit of sweetness, but the lemon gives it enough tanginess, so it doesn't taste super sweet. And it's actually quite good. Yeah, I say you first taste the lemonness and then you taste the raspberryness. So so I would recommend you or your parents go to the grocery store and get yourself this pink lemonade Oikos. You'll enjoy it. So that is it for today. I'll see you later here on Yay Fun Times, and enjoy yourself. Bye.